When watching the sunset with friends, it is an amazing and inspirational experience. It is a time to reflect on the day and enjoy the company of those you love. Watching the colors of the sky change is a beautiful reminder of how precious life is. Being together with friends and witnessing this natural wonder is a memory you will always cherish. Chocolates are one of the most amazing desserts that you can enjoy. They are sweet, delicious, and always leave you wanting more. With their smooth texture and rich flavor, chocolates are the perfect way to end a meal or celebrate a special occasion. For many people, having a bird is one of the most amazing things on earth. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time.